You are going to love the 2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.